Hey man, say man, rise and shine, family. It's been well over a year. Been a minute. It's been a little bit over a year, something like that. But yeah, I'm back. I got a new segment, and this one right here is going to be about trading. This is something that I do on a daily basis, and this is something that I'm real passionate about. And I just wanted to come on here and share with y'all exactly how I'm getting my plays on a day-by-day basis in the markets. And you know what I'm saying? What you're looking at right here, this is colors. And we got Forex, crypto, commodities, metals, indices, you name it, right? But colors got it. And this is a strategy that I utilize to get in and out of the market. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get to this setup and show y'all exactly how I traded last night. It was during the end of Asian going into the London session. And when I got this entry, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I've seen, why I got in, and how I exited as well. So if we were looking in real time, obviously this is real time in the market right here. And if you go back, you'll be able to see what I see, right? So at this current time, the entry that I had, not the entry, but let's pause for a second. So basically, this is a strategy that we use in the colors family called the smooth selling scalp, right? So what I'm gonna do is, you see these two moving averages that's flowing across the screen. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a vertical line, make it nice and thick, and I'm gonna put it on the supreme line. This bigger, thicker one is called the supreme line, and this skinny one is called the guide line. So all I did, if you're looking in real time what I seen, I went on ahead and put my vertical line. I dropped down to the 15-minute, and I found my guideline and my supreme line red again, which is what we're looking for. And I grabbed my entry off of the 5-minute, right? Grab my entry off of the 5-minute. So all of this is going to be based upon lower time frames. Obviously, I analyzed from the higher time frame, but what we're on right here is called the color scalper, which is, coded and suited for, scalpers and people who are looking to get in and out of the market quickly. So basically, since I'm finding my entry on this lower time frame on the 5-minute, you want to be able to get an optimal entry, right? That's the goal. You want to buy low and you want to sell high, right? So basically, the way that I grabbed this entry was right here. Boom. So the 5-minute closed right here in the red. As you can see, everything lined up vertically. And obviously, my entry was right. Let's go ahead and put that on the screen. 1.44498. 1.44498 was my entry. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that thing blue, because that's what I went as soon as I put it in. But yeah, so that was my entry right there. And all I did was I just went right here and I seen that this triangle was telling me my guideline was going red. I had a solid red candle, which is exactly what I look for. So this is the point where I would be entering the market, right? As you can see, I got in a little bit below where this candle closed right here. As you can see, everything lined up vertically. Check it out, up and down. But basically, since I got in a little bit lower, it was due to the fact that I had to calculate my lot size and I had to get, my risk management in check before I get into the trade. So obviously it's not right there on entry. The market moved a bit, like 3-4 pips or something like that. But if that's my entry, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my stop loss. So boom, grab this right here. So my stop loss was 1.44920. 1.44920. So we're gonna go ahead and put that. We're gonna represent that one as red. All right. So next, we want to look exactly where I got out of the market, right? So 1.43822. 1.43822. Let's do it. We're gonna put that green 3822. Boom. All right, so this is how I entered the market, and this is my stop loss. Let's explain this. So as you can see, if my entry was here, my stop loss was for, we had about 43, 42 pips in that range right there, right? So usually I would love to put my stop loss above structure up here, or above some type of engulfing candle, which is also coded in the colors. But this time, I decided to put my stop loss here because I was only looking to risk 40 pips in order to catch, about 80 as just a good 1 to 2, right? I'm looking for good risk management, good risk to reward, just a simple 1 to 2. So obviously I could have went ahead and put my structure above this box up here, but that would have given me, quite a few bit more pips to catch. So nobody is gonna have the same stop loss. So it's all your choice, and as far as where you want to put it and stuff like that. As you become more advanced in trading, you can be able to find good stop losses in areas in the market where you're comfortable to get in and out at. So basically, right there, that's my stop loss. I'm above my supreme line and I'm above my guideline. So that's where I wanted to do it. So as you can see, with this entry, that was the 42 pip stop loss, like I said. And let's check and see how many we caught. Boom. We caught about 67, 68 pips right there in that range. And, as you can see, it went on ahead and did the rest of this move right here to this supply zone. And something else that I love about colors is let's go back. Reverse. Boom. So something that I love about colors is it tells you how many times these structures have been tested. So you can see this one down here is a proven structure. This one down here is a proven structure as well. So basically, we're gonna go back to what would have been seen, right? I went on ahead and got out at this candle right here. This was around, it was like 1:55 a.m. going right into the London. And for me, I was like less than 0.1% away from my 2% goal for the day. So I went on ahead and closed it out because, in trading, if you're happy with your profits, you want to make sure that you're securing and you're, getting out when you're happy with what the market is giving you, right? So of course, I could have went on ahead and held down here to the structure and got that rest of that 0.1, you know what I'm saying? But this is the risk to reward that I got right here. This is how I decided to exit. You see the stop loss, you see how I, wanted to manage my risk and what I was willing to, lose on this trade. But the name of the game is always winning more than lose. And I'm just really grateful for colors because this setup was just purely smooth selling scalp, and it gave me everything that I needed, yo. So this is currently Tuesday, January the 3rd. And this is the documentation that we have for this EuroCAD trade. And it went well. I'm gonna be looking for more setups going into the London tonight, which will be, Wednesday night. And we're gonna make something happen. Hope y'all enjoyed that, yo. It was just something different that I wanted to share. So go ahead, get that thing a like if you rocking with this, and we're gonna keep it pushing. Let's go.